Your SaaS business needs first-party data. Let's see why. Data silos is an issue when you have multiple marketing tools. Your customer data is scattered across all these tools, and mapping your customer journey is a pain job. Tracking behavior of a user is an issue when you have multiple user privacy policies coming up. This is where you need to start your first-party data journey. With the help of CustomerLabs, you can utilize the full potential of first-party data by building real-time data infrastructure for enhancing ad performance. What else can you do more with CustomerLabs first-party data? Let's see. Every action taken on your site, like a button clicked or a scroll movement, can be captured with the help of a no-code event tracker. Plus, you can customize this to the point. Send offline conversions with an easy-to-use workflow setup. Your offline sources can be anything like a CRM or an Excel sheet. You can send those data to ad platforms easily. No headache of import or export of data. You can easily automate this with the help of seamless integration. How can I forget about the ad campaign performance? Optimize all your ad campaigns for a bottom funnel events like opportunity or a sales qualified lead. Plus, you can connect your subscription systems like ChargeBee or Stripe and send those data about your valuable customer to your ad platform. This helps ad platform identify and optimize your campaign for high value customer. If you're here with me so far, I believe that you understood the importance of first party data for your business. We can help you build data infrastructure and become your one and only first party data ops. Go ahead and start your 14 days free trial. If you have any question, just book a demo with us. We are happy to help you start your first party data journey.